Okay, Anand. On 3.
Okay. So this is our analysis on the topic, why the salary has not been raised this year. So that's the actual problem. And we found 5 determinants that affect the hike in the salary. So one of the determinant is employee performance. Second is management related issues. Third is competition. Fourth is economy, and the fifth is client. So what are the key attributes that actually affect on each of these main functions? So one of the attributes we found in the management is no focus on the development. So no focus on the development means no sales is, no new business development is happening. That may be the one reason the management is not so much encouraged enough to increase in the salary. The second one is there is no budget, because when there is no sales, there is no budget. It is correspondence to that. Then the motivation level and the management also faced a lot of legal issues, so they have to invest money in that to cover those things. So these are the issues we found in the management that related to no increase in the salary hike. Then it goes to employee performance. So the determinants we found in the employee performance is we didn't utilize the resource in full form. We didn't utilize the resources in 100%. Then we didn't pay attention to the client's requirements. So that may be the reason we found that there is no reason to increase in employee salaries. Then there are three more factors. One is competition. Why the clients didn't give us business, maybe because they found our competitors' pricing might be much better. They might have given much services than we give. Their quality of delivery might be good. So these might be the factors that affected in the competition front. Then the economic conditions, low business, other economic factors, so on and so forth. Then from the client side also, they are not encouraged enough to give us new projects. So that is correspondence, and if there is no project for us, we cannot increase employee salary. Then they are also in the pressure of cutting cost and manpower reduction and so on. So these are the factors that we found of not increasing the salary of employees.
Okay, great, thank you. Any questions, guys? No questions? Any questions, anybody?
Awesome.